Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making Efo Riro, so sit back if you want to see how I made this. First I'm going to cook my proteins. I've got here goat meat and stockfish fillet, pre-cooked cow foot and chives. I'm going to season with seasoning cubes, salt and chopped onions. I'll stir to combine, cover and allow it to steam cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Minutes later, I will add the stock from cooked cow foot. I will add enough water that will be enough to cook the proteins. I'm going to cover and allow it to cook until soft. The proteins has been cooking for a while. I'm going to add my dry catfish and allow everything to cook until done. The next step is to prep my pepper mix. I'm going to remove the seeds from the peppers, blend and set it aside for later use. I'll proceed by prepping my vegetables. I'm using the combination of frozen and fresh spinach, 3 bags of frozen spinach and 4 bunches of fresh spinach. For the frozen spinach, I'm going to transfer in a bowl, add hot water to defrost it, take it to my sink, save it and squeeze out excess water from it and set aside. I will do same to the fresh spinach. By the way, I have already washed it. I will slice it, pour hot water to blanch it, take it to my sink, run very cold water on it to stop it from cooking. I will squeeze excess water from it and set aside. At this time the proteins has cooked properly and it's time to make our soup. In my preheated oil, I will go in with my chopped onions, iru and crayfish. I'm going to allow it to fry for 3 minutes to release the fragrance. Next, I will add my pepper mix. I will give it a good stir and allow it to fry until it becomes dry. Don't forget to stir in between so that it doesn't burn. At this time, I check on the pepper mix and notice that oil has floated on top. Next, I will add seasoning cubes, give it a good stir and add the pre-cooked proteins as well as the stock. I will mix well to combine, cover and allow it to come to a boil. Once that is done, I will add my spinach. I'm going to mix well to combine. Next, I will add my grilled mackerel fish and more crayfish. I will mix well to combine, cover and allow it to simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Let's go. 5 minutes later, our soup is ready. You guys, this is one soup you can never get tired of eating. Very nutritious and is best paired with pounded yam. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Please like this video and share. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.